Looking for the best Singer sewing machine but don't know where to start? We ranked 5 top models from weakest to best, so stick around to find your perfect match. Kicking off our list at the bottom is the Singer Heavyduty 4411. It's known for its powerful motor and high-speed sewing, which makes it great for thicker fabrics like denim and canvas. But it lands last in our ranking, and I'll explain why. Sure, the speed is impressive, up to 1,100 stitches per minute, and it does have a solid metal frame and stainless steel bed plate. If you're working on heavy projects or repairing jeans, it definitely gets the job done. It also includes adjustable presser foot pressure and a front-load bobbin system for that classic mechanical feel. But it's missing a lot of the convenience features you'll find on newer models. There's no automatic needle threader, no thread cutter, and just 11 built-in stitches. The 4-step buttonhole feels outdated compared to the 1-step styles we'll see later. Plus, it's loud, like noticeably loud. This machine is really best for someone who prioritizes raw power over bells and whistles. Maybe a hobbyist who wants to work on thicker fabrics without paying for computerized features. And hey, if that's you, it could be a great fit. Links to all the machines I talk about today are in the description below. Check them out for the best deals. Next up, one step above, is the Singer Tradition 2277. It's a mechanical sewing machine that's ideal for beginners, especially those who just want something simple and easy to operate. It offers a nice little step up from the 4411 with its 23 built-in stitches and an automatic 1-step buttonhole, way more beginner friendly. You've got adjustable stitch width and length, a built-in needle threader, and even a free arm for sleeves and pant legs. It's also super lightweight, making it easy to move and store. That said, it's not cut out for more demanding projects. The small throat space limits your ability to work on big quilts, and the machine may shift around if you're sewing fast or with heavy fabric. Plus, while it's great for learning, you'll outgrow its limitations quickly. If you're just dipping your toes into sewing, this is a great low-stress place to start. It's reliable for light use and offers enough features to get creative without being overwhelming. And if you're enjoying the video so far, give it a like and subscribe. We've got more reviews coming your way. Now let's talk about the Singer Soulmate 5400. It hits that sweet spot between simplicity and features, making it one of the better options for intermediate sewists or beginners who want a bit more room to grow. With 60 built-in stitches, 4 1-step buttonholes, and easy push-button selection via LCD, it's got more functionality than the Tradition or the Heavy-Duty model. It includes adjustable stitch width, automatic tension, and a strong metal frame that gives it stability during use. Plus, the built-in LED light and needle threader make it super convenient. But it's not perfect. The speed tops out at 750 stitches per minute, which is a little slower than you might want if you're doing big projects. It also lacks a speed control slider and can have some bobbin tension quirks. It's reliable, but not particularly fast or feature-packed. If you're looking for a user-friendly machine that offers a solid upgrade from the basics but doesn't break the bank, the 5400 is a really practical choice. It's ideal for students, casual crafters, or anyone wanting a dependable all-rounder. Coming in strong is the Singer C5200, a computerized model that offers a very nice blend of flexibility and ease of use for everyday sewers. With 80 built-in stitches and 180 stitch applications, the C5200 gives you a ton of room to customize your work. The LCD screen makes stitch selection a breeze, and it comes with great accessories like an extension table and 8 presser feet. It even has a sturdy full metal frame and LED lighting to keep your workspace bright. So what's the catch? While the machine is capable of sewing a wide range of fabrics, it's not really made for heavy-duty materials like leather or multiple layers of canvas, and a few users have reported alignment issues or minor build inconsistencies, so quality control might be hit or miss. Still, for hobbyists, quilters, and anyone doing decorative work, this machine really shines. It's a big upgrade in both functionality and user-friendliness over the entry-level models. At the top of our list is the Singer Quantum Stylus 9960, and it's here for a reason. This machine is packed with advanced features and caters to serious sewers, quilters, and anyone who wants top-notch versatility. You're getting 600 stitches. Yes, 600, including decorative stretch and alphanumeric stitches. There's a built-in thread cutter, needle up, down button, speed control slider, 13 buttonholes, and even 5 different fonts. With the included extension table and 18 presser feet, it's set up for almost any project you can think of. The downside? It's not the most portable machine at over 18 pounds, and there's definitely a learning curve. Beginners might feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of options and settings. But if you're ready to dive into garment making, quilting, embroidery, or just want a machine that won't limit your creativity, the 9960 is an absolute powerhouse. It's one of the most complete and feature-rich machines you can buy today. You'll find links to all the top Singer machines we covered today down in the description at the best prices available. If this video helped you make a decision, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new review.